Hi, I'm Colette, and if you're watching this video, you might be curious about freelancing by balancing life, other responsibilities, just like I was when I started. I turned that curiosity into over $1 million as a freelance coach. Today, I'm here to guide you on how to launch your freelancing career, even if you're juggling work, studies, or family. Freelancing as a student might seem daunting, but it can be incredibly rewarding. It doesn't just pad your wallet, it also enriches your resume. Whether you're looking for a challenge, you're bored, or need to fund your shopping spree, freelancing offers that flexible opportunity to earn and learn. Join my free video series, Limited Availability. I started just like you, curious and unsure, but ready to explore. I quickly learned that the key is to start early. The earlier you start, the faster you'll gain invaluable experience that sets you apart in the job market after graduation. The first step is knowing your strengths. Are you a writer, a tech whiz, or maybe you're a graphic designer? Identify your skill and then find your market. There's a whole world out there desperate for your passion and expertise. Building a portfolio doesn't need to be overwhelming. Start with something as simple as a website, a digital PDF, or an Instagram page dedicated to your work. Make sure it's clear and concise, and showcase your project that highlights your skills relevant to the gigs you're targeting. Sign up for my free video series now. To land your first gig, it's all about networking. Use your social media to your advantage. Engage in online communities related to your skills. You're not just building a client base, you're crafting a professional network that will support your career growth. Managing multiple projects as a student? My advice is to start small. 1 or 2 projects will be sufficient. Learn to manage your time effectively and always prioritize your schoolwork. Ready to start your freelancing journey? Not just make money, but make a name for yourself. Join my free video series, NextGenFreelancer, where I share my secrets. Spots are limited, so don't miss out. Free Upwork optimization tips in the comments. And don't forget, I've got plenty of resources for you. Check out my freebies on Upwork profile optimization and profile guidance right in the comments below. For a deeper dive, check out my detailed guide on Upwork cover letters linked at the top of the screen. These tools will give you the edge you need to stand out and secure your best project. If you're ready to transform your freelance journey, don't just watch, but act. Sign up for my free video series, NextGenFreelancer, and start mastering the art of freelancing. Remember, space is limited, and I want to see you succeed, so join now. And if you found this video helpful, then give it a like, subscribe for more valuable tips, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss on any updates. Have any questions or need advice? Drop a comment below. I would love to help you out in building your freelance career.